going to show you how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy if the touchscreen is not responsive. What you're going to do is hold the power and the volume down button for about 5 to 10 seconds, just like this. Now this screen is going to come up, continue to hold the volume down and power, and there you go. Once the screen goes completely black, that's how you know that it has fully triggered the soft reset. At that point, you'll just need to wait, and you should see the Samsung logo pop up in a few seconds. If it doesn't pop up, just simply hold down the power button, and that will turn the phone back on. And usually, once you've done this soft reset, if there is an app that has caused the phone to crash or something has caused the phone to freeze, it usually will clear all that up. And you should be good to go as soon as the restart is complete. Now, if you get to the main screen and the touchscreen still is not working, then that means that there is an issue with your phone with the touchscreen, and you might need to take it into a service center to have it repaired. So, anyway, this has been the process of how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy.